How's it going, guys? This is Ray Alvarez, Shoot with Ray. And in today's video, we're gonna be talking about the number 300 case by Condition 1. Condition 1 is a case company based out of Texas. They've provided me with cases for all of my gear. I've also recommended it to all of my photographer and videographer friends, and I'm also recommending it to you. If you guys want to check out more about Condition 1 and all of their cases, check out their website on the links below. Use my discount code ShootWithRay for some money off on their gear. Alright guys, so I just wrapped up a shoot and I had a rave about this case. I've had so many cases in the 7 years of photography that I've done, and I must say that this is by far my favorite. I've gotten through soft cases, hard cases. I've had Pelicans, I've had low pro bags. I've had bags that come for free whenever I make purchases in Adorama or B&H Photo. So why do I love this case? First and foremost, it's lightweight, less bulky than others, easier to carry around. The best part of all is that this case is super affordable compared to other brands. All right, so let's dive in and let's see what's in my camera case. First of all, we're gonna start off with this area here. This is always gonna be either my items area or my lens area. Sometimes if I'm going to a wedding, I'm definitely gonna be carrying this lens here. This is a G Master 70-200. Now, if I'm traveling and I'm not carrying this lens, this space here is left over for different items that I might be needing. For example, my laptop charger, my mouse, and things like that. All right guys, so continuing on, we have these areas here, these 3 compartments. Here I store my lenses. And I also store my triggers for my cameras. And although I can keep this somewhere else, I have the lens wipes, lens cloth here. And I just put them away, tuck them away with the transmitters. Then we have the 2 body areas. And if I'm only shooting one body, then I remove the body and I basically put something else in here and fill it up. Then I have my 90mm here. This is cut away just for this lens. And then we have the battery and other items compartment here. So I have some batteries here and I have some batteries here. These are good, these are dead. All right, so one of my favorite parts about this case is the lid organizer, which you see here on screen. I love this part because I travel a lot. And with that being said, I have to carry things with me that I usually wouldn't want to carry in a book bag or an additional bag. I like to carry light. So pretty much whenever I'm traveling, you see me carrying this case, and then you also see me put a check bag under the plane with lighting and other accessories and of course some clothes. So let's get started with the different compartments here. We'll get started with the top. Get rid of Velcro, you unzip it, and in this pocket here, I have a pen and an emergency XQD card just in case I run out of cards. I always have one here as a backup. You see my mouse, USB piece there, that converts a USB-A to a USB-C. Another feature that I love about this lid organizer is that this one comes already included with this case. This entire section is stitched into the top of the case. Then this area here, it's latched on by Velcro and you can pull it off. You also have a piece here, you can attach any other accessory that you might want to include. In this area here, you might be wondering what this is. This is a small case that contains a bunch of silica gel balls. Why? First of all, I live in Florida, it's very humid here. You use these and it'll remove all of the moisture when the case is closed. So that way your lenses doesn't catch any mold or fungus. Also, in this part of the case, I have some money stashed away. You never know when you need a $20 bill or a $100 bill. So I have some cash in there just in case. Right below, I have a secondary silica ball case, just in case the first one doesn't do the job. I also have another pen, just in case. A few extra spare batteries for my triggers. Last but not least, you got some lens cleaning tissue wipes. These come in handy a lot. Last but not least, we have this compartment. We have the gum, you already know. And of course, a protein bar, especially for my wedding shooters. You guys know exactly why we need these. And then we just have a few extra accessories. I have the attachment to my camera straps or camera holsters. So I have a few extra in case I have a few different bodies or any second shooters ask me for that. The whole case itself is TSA approved in case you want to include it as a carry-on with your person whenever you're flying or traveling. The cases are also IP67 waterproof and dustproof. These cases are lockable and stackable and come with a lifetime warranty provided by Condition 1. So there you have it, guys. We just reviewed the case. I showed you all of the contents. I showed you how I pack my gear for my photo shoots and what works for me. Go get yourself a 300 case by Condition 1. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.